Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Graham Trades yet again with some solid gains. Ready to share with you guys what I've come up with this week and what's been going on today specifically. Because we got some super hot plays that came through today. Trans World Entertainment Corp. Let's start off right here. I did not play this, so I just want to let you guys know that. Did not play this, but World Entertainment Corp. This thing was a beast, guys. Within the first, I think like 3 minutes or so, this thing shot up so damn high. Okay, what the heck? Come on. This thing, sorry about that. This thing shot up so damn high from what did it open at? It opened at 477 and shot up all the way to 950 in the 950s within five or so minutes. Insane. I was watching it in the pre-market once the PR dropped, and I'm going to show you guys the PR right now. But basically, they were selling a portion of their business, I believe. Announces agreement to sell FYE segment. It has stores in the United States and Puerto Rico, primarily under the name FYE for your entertainment. Announced it. Okay, so this is the PR that came out. Eyes immediately got on it, and I mean this thing was just trending up. I was staying away from it. I was thinking about getting in on a dip right here after 475 held as a solid support, and but just didn't end up taking it. Just wanted to play it safe and wait for that market open. As soon as the market opened, I had 550 in my mind. 550 right here in my mind, and because it touched it here and slightly broke, but got pushed back down, and then touched it again right here, and I've had a great feeling that if volume swooped into this thing in the opening bell, this thing would run, and that is exactly what happened. So it opened, and you could just see the level 2 just flying, and I got in on a different play, guys. I got in on another play that literally took me all day to trade. I'm going to show you guys that later, but I was working on that play, and this thing just flew on up 550. I was watching the level 2 as I was entering in the other play, but this thing just flew on up, man. This was a huge opportunity to make huge gains. I saw a whole bunch of people making gains in the Deckmar chat room. It was insane. It was crazy. And I just had to sit back and just watch this thing fly on up when I had my order entry on Interactive Brokers at 500 shares at 550 that I just did not submit because I was looking at another play at the moment. And I'm going to show you guys what play that was in a second as well. Another thing that made this thing fly on up is look how clean this chart is. There is no volume, no massive volume that has ever come into this play, really. I mean, it's pretty spectacular. It's so clean that just pulls longs traders into it. You know what I mean? There's no specific resistance, and it was already opening way above its the 200 MA, the 13 EMA, and the 200 MA. So, man, this was super bullish. It was a low floater. This is not even the float. This is wrong. I'm gonna show you guys the float right here. The float on this play was, I believe, less than 500K. 600K, and even this is outdated, I'm sure, because I think that Yahoo adjusts this once a month. But anyways, so instead of this play that would have got me huge profits, I did play it on paper money just to keep testing myself. I'm still working on working on my long strategies a little bit because I'm constantly doing the shorts, and I'm really doing just one pattern right now for the shorts. And it's just not, it's almost impossible to make the amount of money that you can make on this sort of play. Um, but anyways, okay, so right here, wait. So I got in. I was looking at this play right here, RAKR. Look at this run up, and it gapped up, but it immediately got pushed down. I could have probably got in here, risking off of 50 cents, a strong area right there, after this big red candle, but I didn't. I didn't get on that, and look how much that thing dropped from 49 cents all the way down to, what is this, 29 cents. And that move right there was 42% down. That's insane. Okay, that's that. I was also looking at RELI. This thing dipped, but it gapped up, so I stayed away from it as well. And there was one more I thought. Well, I think well actually, oh yeah, it was the one I actually played. So this is the one I played. You know, a little run up, 4 days in a row, 76% at its highs from its start of momentum. Got in right here risking off of 368. Got in 600 shares and added another 200 here for a total of 600 right here. And I exited out. Literally, I was holding this thing all day, guys. End of day, 350. I wanted 345, but I wasn't getting it in. I did not want to hold these shares overnight and pay just the crazy fees that trade zero. So I covered it up. Small 50s, what was it, $52 gain, but the fees on it for the locates, I would literally say this was probably like a $25 trade. So nothing burger at all. But this is my trades for the week. I'm glad that I am up. You know, I'm just really trying to stay profitable, guys. I'm tired of taking losses and setting myself back. So right now, I have this trade right here, NTRP, that I played. This was my first play of the week. That was on the 22nd, which was yesterday. Made $125 right here on some phase 2 news. The Institute of Health was pushing for a phase 2 clinical study, and it was awarded $2.7 million from the Institute of Health. So that was great. That was a really great trade. I got the little screenshot here, and this is the play. So I got in. Oh man, I wish I could zoom out of this a little bit because there was resistance here. I believe pre-market. I should have zoomed out when I took this screenshot, but nonetheless, I got in right here at 2.7. 2.75 was. I had a great feeling this thing was gonna break, and it certainly did, guys. It certainly did. Pushed all the way to 3.2, but I got out midway through that push. Some nice gains. Now, this trade right here is the next trade I'm going to show you guys. This trade right here was a $63 loss. So I literally just cut my win from a few hours earlier, or a few minutes earlier actually, and just cut it in half. Cut that gain in half by doing this. So I got in thinking 3.2. Look, it touched once, touched twice. I thought the third time was a charm, and it was going to just break on through and really push hard. Had some great volume right here, but it just topped off and just boom, petered on down. That's it for this week so far, guys. I'm hoping to stay somewhere around this area. I'm going to make some trades tomorrow. Hopefully I can get a short in on TWMC if the backside is in, but I really am probably going to wait for a confirmed red day first before getting in on that, just because it's such a low float and it's so volatile. I do not want to get in and get destroyed on that play. I'm going to look for some longs tomorrow as well, just because longs have been doing pretty good for me so far. I've been patient, I've been consistent, and I feel great about them so far. So we'll see. All right, guys, you guys have a good weekend. I'm probably going to do a video tomorrow. I really want to up this thing, man. I keep saying that, but I just need to be more disciplined and keep doing these videos because it helps me, honestly. It really does help me look at my trades, analyze myself as a trader so I can be better and more aware of what I'm doing. All right, guys. Have a good one. Peace.